What's up, bro? This Trees coming at you with a cooking video. Today we're gonna make some pancakes or waffles, um, and we got some secret ingredients. We got two secret ingredients. One of them may not be so much of a secret. The second one, I don't think is a common recipe that most people use. So it should be very simple, and yeah, we're gonna get right up into it. So first, of course, we're gonna get the all-purpose flour. You got you some salt, baking soda, or baking powder. Next, we got baking soda, and then we got our one secret ingredient, which is brown sugar. A lot of people use just white sugar or the cane sugar. I do use that at times, but today I'm gonna try this because I've had it once before. I don't remember how it turned out, so I'm gonna do it again. Next, we got milk, or I use almond milk. We got one egg, and then we also got some melted butter, which is really good, melting up in there like that, yeah. And next, we got our secret ingredient in my hand right here. Now, if you know the basic ingredients to waffles or pancakes, you know that it requires some vanilla. So one day I was making this and I was like, I don't have vanilla. I didn't want to go to the store, you know, because it's that Rona season right now. And so I just said, let me take a look at what's up in my pantry. And I figured it out. So I'll let you know what that is in a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and get right up into it. I already got all of my dry ingredients in this bowl right here, which I'll show you a little preview of. Know which one you like, but I'm personally I like waffles over pancakes, but I definitely will do pancakes at any point in time in my life as long as they are cooked with some crispy edges. I do that with my mathematics. Okay, so it's so light. And it's about to be fluffy. I don't know. I like waffles because there's something about the way that the little squares hold the syrup and the butter. There's something about it that just gets me like, But all right, so here is our dry ingredients right here. I'm gonna be posting all of the ingredients at the end of the video so that you can just go on ahead and screenshot it and everything like that. And forgive me if you hear a lot of background noise. I got some children, not actual children. I got I got cats. And they are quite rambunctious. So yeah, I just let them do their thing. Unless they messing with my stuff, then I gotta intervene. But go ahead and mix your dry ingredients up. All that brown sugar, you know, with that flour, that sugar, that baking soda, that baking powder. Just mix it up. That's gonna get us right there. Usually I just go ahead and put that butter up in there. Just get it. Boom. Right in there. It's gonna gently just get it mixed up in there real quick. And I know y'all on the edge of your seat for this secret ingredient. Hopefully I didn't expose it already in this camera angle. Right, let's get that right. You want it to be a little clumpy right now. You know, these are gonna be fluffy. These are gonna be delicious. You are going to want to give your mom, your girlfriend, or your husband, your father. You're gonna once you make this, you're gonna want to get them all at the dinner table and be like, yo, you gotta try this right now. You got to try this. Let's get out the secret ingredient. Blah. Pure almond extract. That's a woo. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, with the brown sugar, or just whatever you got, like the sugar in general, it is amazing. I'm pretty sure you can even make like biscuits or something out of this too with this recipe, or some type of, you know, pastry. Ooh, I just wish that you could smell this right now. I would invite you over. I'm not too rough with it, you know. I know what it feels like to eat a dense pancake. It is not happy, y'all. It is not, does not taste good. It does not feel good in your mouth. No, none of that. Now we're gonna move on to the next phase, which is just simply cooking it. All right, family, we back, we ready. We got our batter right here. We're gonna warm this up with some Spam. So I don't know if anybody told you, if your mama told you, if your daddy told you, or whoever went to culinary arts school or something like that. The secret to cooking a really good pancake, not ingredients, not no secret ingredient, but the secret to cooking it that I found or learned is to keep the heat on low. You can maybe, the secret to cooking it, and then you want to use butter. Make sure that you use butter, don't use whatever alternative you possibly could be doing. That's decent. And now we're gonna just right away just get one of these right here. And we're just gonna see my butter's a little bright unit. You see that pancake moving as a unit? That's how we know. All right, we're gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh yeah, get all that. I'll tell you something. That might look burnt, but it's still delicious. It's not barbecued, you know? It's not barbecued. This one looks pretty, and I bet you it's banging. This one does not look as pretty, but I know it's banging still. Trust me, don't be scared. You can go ahead and save that at the bottom and feed it to yourself or the person you like the least in your household or something. It's fine, you know, because I know this is good. And if you're just a hater, then go ahead and do that. Hey. So let me show you a preview of these pancakes. You see how thick that is? But it's fluffy. It feels like I'm holding a cloud right now. Ooh, that is a pretty pancake. Look at that. It tells you its life story right here. Look, it's like reading your palm, but I'm a pancake reader. So here, crispy edges. That's telling you that it was made with love. When you look inward to the pancake, you see all this right here? You see these dimensions, you see these shapes that look like maybe like petroglyphs. It's telling you its life story. And what it's telling you is that it wants to be eaten, and that it wants to be eaten with love and delicacy. Maybe even past delicacy, maybe even just a little fast, but don't choke. Okay, y'all. This is the final product. Yes. With that grade A syrup, with some Spam. Eggs is over easy, or maybe over medium. You got some Spam. After you eat it, let me know what you think. I want to hear.